welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup day look for you guys. Soft, well, it's more of like a dramatic, romantic makeup look. So I hope that you guys really enjoy this video. It is a little bit intense. I didn't mean for it to be as dramatic, but you know how that happens. As always, I do link all the products that I use down below, so feel free to use those links if you want to shop. I did want to mention, sometimes I get questions on my necklaces. I've been really loving this necklace combination lately. I've been loving this circle necklace right here. And I want to tell you guys it's from Happiness Boutique. So I'm gonna link it down below. I do have a discount code if you guys want to purchase it. I love it. I love necklaces like this that have like the little charms on them. And I love the circle one. It's rose gold. They have gold and silver. So if you guys are interested, look down below and get one for yourself. Treat yourself for Valentine's Day. And also I wear this altered state necklace also just to kind of do like the layered look. I like the layered necklace look right now. I really love it. You can just dress it up, dress it down. You can wear it casual. You can just do whatever you want with it. But I thought I'd tell you guys where that's from in case you were wondering. It's from Happiness Boutique, so check them out down below. I'm just gonna jump into the tutorial because it's kind of long. So if you guys like this video and if you like tutorials, if you like my channel, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts by clicking the bell by my name. I hope y'all enjoy, and let's get into the tutorial. Oh, and let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day, whether it's going out with your boyfriend, if it's hanging out at home, if it's going out with your girls, or if you're just gonna be home by yourself eating pizza and drinking a glass of wine. Whatever it is, let me know down below. And yeah, thank you guys for all the love, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by doing what I do in every single look, which is always priming my face and moisturizing my lips. Because you don't want no crusty lips if you're going to be going on a date. So I usually just go to my Laguna Herbals lip balm, just because it's not too heavy, it's not too thick, it's just right, perfect for like kind of just getting the lips prepared. And then I've already moisturized my skin. I used Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, so I will link that down below. It's really good. I've almost used all of it, so it's nice and moisturizing, hydrating. And then I'm gonna prime my skin while I do my eyes. So today I want really nice luminous skin, of course, always. Really, I mean, I do every single day. So I'm gonna be using this BECCA Backlight Priming Filter. I've been obsessed with this primer lately. If you like fresh, dewy, glowy skin. This just gets me nice and dewy and hydrated. I don't know why I feel like that 70s vibes right now. Something I'm wearing, that 70s show. I hope you guys are enjoying my new lights, my new background. It's kind of different. I'm not like used to it, so it's different for sure. But I like the way it's looking, at least in my monitor, or my viewfinder. So I'm gonna go back over my T-zone with some of this TATCHA, whatever this is, the Silk Primer. I only have the little small one, but I'm gonna go over just my T-zone a little bit. My nails match. I'm obsessed with my nails. I've gotten a lot of questions on my nails, by the way. So I got them done yesterday, and I go to this place in Franklin called Spring Nails, and I do the dip powder, and I love the way they turned out this time, you guys. I love the way they turned out. Sometimes I've gotten it done and like it just doesn't look very good, but I literally want to get this every time now. You can see my hands are kind of dry, but it's just the dip powder in C5. Next time I go back, I'll ask them like, hey, do you guys know what the color is actually called? Last time they were like, yeah, we don't know, it's just C5. But there's one of the owners, she might be able to help me. She knows colors like no joke. Anyways, just thought I'd mention that because I might get questions on that. So as the skin is priming and that's setting in, we're gonna go and do the eyes. So I want kind of like a good balance of soft and dramatic. So this is like the perfect palette to use for Valentine's Day because it's soft, romantic. Like you can literally create so many different looks with this palette, but like I thought about it, I was like, which palette do I want to use? And I was like, this is a no-brainer. I want to use the Huda Beauty Nude palette because I still love it. It's like my favorite. It's so pretty. I've been enjoying this Sigma eyeshadow base primer, and this is in the shade Persuade. Kind of like Painterly by MAC. I don't ever use Painterly, but I've seen it, you know. All right, so we're just gonna take that base, Bare, it's called Bare, and just kind of swipe that over the crease. I'm gonna kind of take it all over. All right, so I'm gonna take one of my favorite colors in the palette, Tickle, and I'm going to take that on this Sigma Blending E25 and just work that into my crease. So just lightly gonna build that up in my crease.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me?
I want this look to be a little bit more bold, so I'm gonna use the shade Spanked, and I'm going to start out in the outer V and just buff that in. Kind of want it all over my lid.
We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride.
Keep in mind, it's gonna be, sometimes it's a little bit patchy at first, but just keep blending. So I kind of was switching between like circular motions and windshield wiper, like just kind of doing a combination. Like I pack it first, like pack the color on the outer V, and then start windshield and then circular. So I just kind of blend the best that I can. Sometimes this eye is a little bit more patchy than the other one for some reason. Not really sure why. And then sometimes I take like the Tickle shade, like always go back to the transition and kind of use that to kind of smooth out any harsh lines or anything that's not blended right. Kind of gives it a little bit more dimension, but just kind of blends everything together.
I take you around my life, jaywalking.
So it is totally and completely up to you if you want to do an more glitter, or if you don't want to do as much of that Spank shade like all over your lid like I did. I mean, it's totally personal preference. You could just stick with the transition if you don't want something super intense. So just kind of give this look a little bit more depth. I'm going to use Love Bite. I know it looks a little intense right now, but once I put on lashes, it's going to look a-okay. So I'm gonna take a Love Bite right here. It's like the deepest shade in the palette, so it's kind of like a deep purple, really pretty. I'm just gonna take that on a pencil brush and pack that on my outer V. I want this to be a little subtle. I kind of just want it to create kind of like that shape of my outer V, you know what I mean? Like I want it to kind of mimic that shape. So I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit with a Q-tip. I'm not doing a winged liner today because I personally don't really like winged liner on me. Like I don't wear it that much. If you wanted to, you could just use an eyeshadow for winged liner. Sometimes I like that. It's more of a soft, smoky look. So sometimes that is better. To brighten up this look, I'm gonna do inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna take Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the shade Bubbly. I love this stuff for inner corner. All I do is just kind of draw it right there. It's really easy. Just kind of put it there and blend it with your finger. You could either leave it there or add some more. I think I'm gonna add a little more. So I'm gonna take the shade Daydream. This is my favorite glitter in this palette, or it's like my favorite shimmery shade. So I'm just kind of putting it over that Sigma primer just to give it a little bit more dimension and just to kind of make the look pop a little bit more. Just a warning, you will look kind of mermaid-esque with this. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I'm just gonna use this Armani Luminous Silk because this is my favorite foundation. Use whatever you like. I like a dewy finish. This is more of like a dewy, medium to buildable coverage. I keep forgetting that I have the LANCôME one. I really love the LANCôME Ultra Wear. That one's really good too. Skin looks a little patchy today. I'm not sure why. The weather's been like crazy where I live. So I live in like Franklin, Tennessee, which is just a few miles south of Nashville. But it was like freezing. Now it's like warm. Just so weird. I mean, I am happy with it because I don't like the cold at all. All right, now I'm gonna go in. Normally I do 2 layers, but I'm wearing a pretty full coverage concealer today, so I think we'll be good. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I love this concealer. It is my favorite right now, and I'm about to try the the Makeup Revolution one. I'm excited to see how that one holds up. So I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. All right, and then I'm going to bake with my favorite powder, the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This one is awesome. Let me know if you guys have tried the new Hourglass powder. I don't even know if it's new, but it's new to, kind of new to me. I've seen a lot of people using it and I kind of want to try it. Well, I do want to try it. Let me know if you guys have tried it and if you like it. While that bakes under my eyes, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So let's go ahead and finish the eyes. I don't like having half of it done, so I'm gonna zoom me back in, do the lower lash line. All right, so let's do the lower lash line. I pretty much usually just do the same shades up top, but then use just go over and do it with a pencil brush. So let's see. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit just to give the look a little bit more dimension and depth. I'm gonna take the shade, this one right here. I really like that shade. Lace, get that all over my brush, tap it off. I'm gonna add some mascara. I feel like the eyes are already kind of dramatic, so I feel like just a nice little something on the bottom is good. Today's a special day because I'm opening up a fresh COVERGIRL mascara. This is my favorite mascara ever. This is my third one, I think, since it's come out, and I'm pretty sure they're coming out with a new one I think they're sending over. I did not really care for the activewear one, like the one in the orangish tube. I just don't like waterproof type mascara. It's too dry for me or something, and it's hard to come off, and I don't really prefer it. So I just love this COVERGIRL Flourish by Lash Blast, and like I said, I think they're coming out with a new one. I think that's on its way to me, which I'm really excited to try. I use the shade Very Black, but I've used the black brown before too, and that one's really pretty too if you want a little bit more of a softer natural look. I'm not sure if this is important to anybody, but I know that Kylie Jenner has said in the past that she likes to do brown mascara on her lower lash line to be a little bit more natural. I may or may not have tried that. All right, I'm just doing a little bit of mascara because I'm about to go in with some lashes, and I am welcoming back some of my favorite oldie but goodies. These are the House of Lash Iconics. I love these lashes, you guys. They're so pretty. I remember the first time I tried on House of Lash Iconics, I was in Atlanta for Music Midtown, and my life has never been the same since. My life was forever changed. No joke. I was so excited to wear them because I had only worn drugstore lashes. I had never tried, I never tried because you have to order, the other ones normally a lot of time. Now they're in stores and stuff, like Iconics are now at Ulta, but they didn't used to be, so you had to kind of scout them out. And I brought some with me and took them to this festival, and it was life-changing. I'm still obsessed with the Duo Glue. It's my fave. But the trick is you got to let the glue get tacky on the lash before you apply it. I always just put mine on the little MAC container like that and let it dry for a minute. I will say from first impression, from a long time of not wearing Iconics, these look different. I don't know what it is. They look lighter. Don't tell me I got the Iconic lights. No, I made sure that I didn't. No, they're just Iconics. They're not the lights. But they look different to me. They look a little lighter or something. Or maybe I've just been wearing more dramatic lashes and I'm going back and I'm oh my gosh, I can't believe these used to be super dramatic to me, because they're not. So I'm not super happy about that, but let me know what you guys think. Do they look good? I'm gonna take just a white liner to add to my waterline. I'm gonna cream contour a little bit with the Chanel cream bronzer. I love this stuff. It's so good, and I'm running low. And I'm really enjoying this powder by BECCA. This is their multitasking perfecting powder in warm honey. I don't think they sell this on Sephora anymore. I think I found it on a couple different websites, so I will link it down below if you guys would like it. I think it's really pretty on the skin, so. Just to kind of detail it a little bit more, I'm going to use this contour brush. It's the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH05. I've been using her brushes a lot lately, so just to kind of concentrate that product right there. Just taking a little bit because it's kind of dark for me right now. I need it. I'm getting a tan today, so I'm going to take a tiny bit of whatever's left on my beauty blender to just kind of snatch that. Okay, next is setting spray. Oh my gosh, y'all. So I was gonna say I'm gonna use the TATCHA because it's a special occasion, but no, I'm not using TATCHA today. I'm gonna use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray because it is so good. I'm loving the setting spray. It's like way cheaper. It's probably good enough. So since the theme is kind of like pink vibes today because of Valentine's Day, I'm going to be using this Ofra highlighter. I've been loving it too recently. It's their highlighter, all of the lights. That's what it looks like. So pretty. So I'm just gonna mix all of them together. Ooh. I'm gonna mix all of them together for the perfect highlight. Look at this, you guys. We're gonna be lit today. All of the lights. Like, look, highlight versus no highlight. Like, it's kind of crazy. I know I look a little wild right now. All right, okay. I've got to stop. I've got to stop now. I'm starting to look like the Tin Man. All right. Now we're doing blush and lips and we're done. So for blush, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite. So this is like my favorite blush of all time, but it's perfect for not Halloween. Valentine's Day too, because it's nice and soft and pink and romantic, and it's called First Love. I mean, come on, can't get more Valentine's ready than that. So I'm gonna take my favorite blush brush at the moment. This is my favorite brush that Jaclyn Hill and Morphe came out with, and this is the JH06. Love it so much. I'm just going to take that on the apples, kind of blend everything together. Ooh, so pretty. All right, so through some trial and error and trying on some different lipsticks, I finally decided what I want to use for my lip color today. So I'm going with my favorite of all time products, and these are super romantic Valentines and they go with this look too. I'm gonna start off by lining my lips with Pillow Talk Liner by Charlotte Tilbury. I love this lip liner, so it's my favorite lip liner. So I'm going to fill that in with Charlotte Tilbury's Kim KW lipstick. This is like the perfect nude lipstick. You can leave it like this if you don't like gloss, but I love gloss. So I'm gonna top this look with my absolute favorite gloss of all time, and this is the Marc Jacobs Sugar Sugar Gloss. I only have a small one right now, but it's so pretty. I'm a gloss gal, y'all. All right, you guys, so this completes the look today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please tag me if you guys decide to create some cute makeup looks. If you decide to do one like this, or if you do another one, tag me, let me know what you guys are wearing for Valentine's Day. I love seeing y'all's makeup, so let me know what you create. You can just tag me on Instagram or Snapchat, whatever. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. It really supports my channel. Subscribe, sign up for alerts by clicking the bell so you get notified when I post videos. And as always, let me know what you want to see next down below. I know I'm waiting to do an empties video, and we'll see what else happens. So let me know down below. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.